Hi, this is Steve Gladys, and I wanted to talk to you about what's called the Four Horsemen of Apocalypse. These are what a guy named John Gottman. Gottman is probably the best marriage counselor in the world. Um, he has a lab out at the University of Washington, out in Washington State, and he's renowned for his laboratory. It's called the Love Laboratory. But he has identified four things that destroy relationships. And it doesn't matter whether this is marriage or personal, other personal relationships. The four things affect them greatly. And because we're spending so much time now with COVID-19 inside our houses, I thought it might be a pretty good and pretty interesting note. Four of them, very simply. Number one is criticism. Whenever you attack another person's personality, usually with the intent of making the other person wrong, and you write, things like, you always do this, or you never pick up your clothes, you never, well, it's feeling a little autobiographical, but the fact of the matter is whenever you're trying to put somebody down, and you do it on a regular basis, especially even if it's just a little cut as the person goes by, just a little snipe, it's not usually vicious, but it's a snipe. The second thing is contempt, which is criticism on steroid. This is when you're really trying to hurt the other person. This is instead of cutting them as they go by, it's really sticking the knife in, so to speak. Contempt is attacking your partner's sense of self-worth and with the intention of insulting them. It's things like name calling, you stupid jerk, you idiot, you this, you that. It's very much an attack on their personality. This is very destructive to relationships, particularly in marriage, according to Gottman's research. The third one is defensiveness. It's when people strike back at you. It's when they blame other people. They never take responsibility for things that go wrong. They always try to take responsibility for things that go right. You see a lot of politicians using this technique. Without naming names, it's just what people do. Cross-complaining, I might do this, but you do that. So defensiveness, we've all sort of known people who are defensive. And the fourth one is stonewalling. It's the teenager or your husband or wife saying, whatever. It's basically disengaging from the conversation it's passive aggressive, it's that kind of thing. So those four things: criticism, contempt, defensiveness, and stonewalling. The Four Horsemen of Apocalypse. Something to think about, especially as we're sort of cooped up together in this COVID-19 time. This is Steve Gladys, wishing you all well, and we'll get through this.